Very good morning, student. Last period, we have already seen what are the steps and stages of development of instructional material. I think all of you understood these 2 points. Today, we are going to see a new concept, that is class formation. Class formation is very much important in teaching learning process. In short, class formation means class arrangement. When teacher teach in the class, at that time that class arrangement must be proper. Because if teacher get the proper feedback from the student, then only teacher can teach effectively and properly. Student has to maintain discipline in the class. All these things are very much necessary. Those are necessary material. That material also available in the class. Then only teacher can teach effectively. So that class formation is the concept playing very much important role in teaching learning process. So last 2 exams, that question is there. What is class formation? And that in that concept you have to consider some of the points that I have written here. See, class formation means class arrangement. How to arrange class, how to decorate class, how to do seat arrangement, how to do electricity arrangement. All these things included in class arrangement. So that class arrangement is the first point that is very much necessary. Second, class must be clean and attractive. Our class must be clean and attractive means there should be the displays, there should be the boards, there should be charts, there should be teaching aids. All the necessary material teacher has to keep in the class, and then only teacher has to teach. Then only teacher can teach effectively and student can take active part in teaching learning process. So that the 2 points are very much necessary: class arrangement and class must be clean and attractive. These 2 things are very much necessary in class formation. Now let us turn to third point. Chalk, duster must be available. Those are the necessary things for writing. Maybe chalk, maybe duster. All these things must be available before teaching in the class. Then teacher can save his time, so that this material is very much necessary at the time, and so that in class formation, this is also important point, the chalk, duster must be available at the time of teaching. Sitting arrangement must be proper. Teacher has to keep the sitting arrangement must be proper. Benches must be properly arranged. Sitting arrangement must be proper. That teacher should see each and every students properly from the blackboard. And so this is very much necessary. Sitting arrangement must be proper. Next, teacher should observe all the student. Teacher has to arrange his class in this way that teacher should see all the student from his place, and so that class arrangement is very much important in class formation. So that these points are very much important in class formation. Now let us turn to another point. Teacher has to maintain discipline. This is very much important in the class. If discipline is not there, then teacher cannot teach properly. Student cannot understand any topic. So that to maintain discipline in the class for effective teaching, and so that in class formation, discipline is very much important. Each and every subject teacher has to maintain discipline in the class. Now let us start to motivate the students. This is the very important thing at the time of teaching. If any student give the proper answer, correct answer, at that time teacher has to motivate the student. Teacher has to praise them. Teacher has to appreciate his answer, so that students become happy and student take active part. Student enjoy teacher's learning. So that this thing is very much important, that teacher has to motivate the student. Next, student must be cooperative. This is also very much important thing. Students, those are sitting in the class, they have to cooperate the teacher. They have to answer the teacher's question. They have to follow teacher's instruction. These things are very much necessary in the class formation, so that student must be cooperative to the teacher. Next, good atmosphere. Atmosphere must be good, clean and healthy. Then only student can enjoy teacher's learning. So that good atmosphere is very much necessary for class formation. Next, teacher has to control the class. If students are doing misbehave, if students are doing noise in the class, at that time teacher has to control the class for effective teaching. Next, student get best education. If discipline is there, if good arrangement is there, if good atmosphere is there, naturally students will get best education. So that class formation is very, very necessary for best education. So this is very important part in class formation, that student will get best education because of proper class formation. Student never do misbehave. If teacher discipline the class, if teacher control the class, And if teacher teach effectively, then students will never do misbehave in the class. Students never do noise in the class, and because of this, teacher can teach effectively in the class. So that students' behavior is very, very important in class formation. Teacher has to use strategy. If students are not listening, if students are doing misbehave, if students are doing noise, at that time teacher has to use the technique. Teacher has to do the psychological study of the student. If that is the lower class, if primary class, if higher secondary class, at that time teacher has to use some of the different strategies that class should be controlled. Students should sit properly. Students should take active part at that time teaching. So that teacher has to use different type of strategy at the time of teaching. Next, teaching process became learner center. If class arrangement is proper, if sitting arrangement is proper, if teaching aids are good, if teachers teaching is effectively, naturally teaching process become learner center, and this is very much important for student. Then only student can enjoy teachers learning. So that this is very, very important in class formation. Next, teaching became effective. If all the things are good, arrangement is good, students behavior is good, student cooperate to the student, naturally teaching became effective, and this is the plus point for teacher. So that class formation is very, very important at the time of teaching. Teacher has to consider psychological level of the student. If students are not listening, if students are doing misbehavior in the class, at that time, which is the class, if that is primary, if that is lower class, higher secondary class, at that time teacher has to do psychological study of the students, and then teacher has to use different technique to maintain discipline in the class. Then only teacher has to control the class. These things very much important, so that teacher has to do psychological study of the student for control the class. And the last, teacher has to respect the student. This is very much important. Every teacher has to give respect to the students, then only students cooperate the teacher. So that these things are very, very necessary for class formation. Now let us 2-3 pointers left. Teacher has to encourage the students. If students are giving correct answer, then teacher has to encourage the student. Teacher has to motivate the student, then only students will take active part in teacher's teaching. Students should give proper feedback. This is very important. If teachers is teaching properly, if teachers are teaching very correctly, then students also give proper feedback to the student. Student has to follow teachers' instruction. Students has to give teachers' question answer. This is called students' feedback. This is very much necessary at the time of teachers' teaching. Teachers should stand at particular place. When teacher is teaching in the class, teacher has to stand in the middle place near the blackboard, and at that time teacher has to observe all the students, those are sitting in class. Poor classroom management create classroom problem and misbehavior of the student. If class formation is not good, then teacher cannot teach properly. Teacher will disturb from the student. Students will do misbehavior in the class, and naturally because of this, teacher cannot teach effectively. So that poor classroom management always create classroom problems. So that teacher has to avoid that, and teacher has to do proper class formation at the time of teaching. Friends, I hope all of you understood all the topics. For good classroom management, following factors are very much important. Now I am going to read some of the points, and that points are very necessary for good classroom management. First, rules. Teacher has to do some rules in the class, that all the rules teacher has to follow at the time of teaching. Second, motivation. Teacher has to motivate the student when they are giving the correct answer. This is motivation is very, very important. 3, discipline. Discipline is very much important. Teacher has to maintain discipline in the class for effective teaching. Next, respect. Every teacher has to give respect to the students. Every teacher behave with respectfully.